Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm glad to be back. I'm just going to be doing a quick get ready with me using some of my beloved products, and this is going to be from the MAC collection. It's called Electric Wonder. You might have seen it. It's this mosaic looking packaging, white and pink, really beautiful. I don't reach out for it very much, so I just wanted to use it in today's quick get ready with me, along with the face powder and this companion lipstick. So if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Norma and I love doing beauty videos. So if those are your type of videos, consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and give this video a thumbs up. For those of you already subscribed, welcome. Thank you so much. I'm glad to see you back. Thanks for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get started. If you're interested in seeing this quick get ready with me, then stick around.